Good morning all, hope you're fine. Welcome to our channel, and today we're gonna talk about the chamomile plant. This plant, usually it is sown the first time because usually they will grow back every year on their own. They are usually sown and around when the weather starts warming up. It's around spring, and so the soil is moist and the weather is a bit warm. And these plants usually grow up a lot. These are in a passage, as you can see, in a pot, and so they couldn't grow up to their expectancy, the normal height. We don't cultivate them much because we don't use them as we used before for teas. So the plants grow easily, and these are the flowers. The smell that they produce is very strong and very lovely. Here we have a small tool that I built, which is used for pickup. It is just a small box with a small comb, a metal comb in front. The comb spaces is just about 3 millimeter. The space from one bristle to another. Just enough so that the flower sticks inside when we pick it. The flower will stick like this. So we'll pick it up and dump it inside the box. I'm gonna show you how to use it, and it's a very easy way to pick these flowers up. When we pick them up, we dry them in a tray for around a week, and then we can use them for teas. We obviously dry them so they can be stored for a long time. The smell is very fabulous, so I'm gonna show you how to collect them up. We just pick our tool, and as we can see, the flowers are inside. I'm gonna pick a bit so you can know how does it work. Now, as I already told you, these are grown usually to help in for teas, and here, as you can see, we only have flowers. There may be a bit of stalks here and there, but mostly flowers. This is an easy way to pick them up. I'll show you how fast it is with this. And obviously, it doesn't damage the flower much. You can see the flowers are still whole, and they are cut from beneath this with a small stalk. I wish you could smell the perfume which is coming out from these flowers. And remember, after 2 days drying, or up to a week, they can be used as an infusion in teas. To store them, you just dry them up and put them in a jar, a glass bottle, a glass jar. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. If so, subscribe and give us a thumbs up.